Tehran Lovers Garden. Hello, my dear friends. Today we have a trip to Ferdows Garden in Shemirana, Tehran on a rainy day. Come with me to enjoy walking under the rain. Ferdows Garden is one of the remaining attractions of Qajar period in Tehran. A house surrounded by a large and pleasing garden, a part of which has been currently transferred into the Cinema Museum of Iran. The history of the building dates back to the period of Muhammad Shah Qajar. Firstly, he decided to build a palace in the place of the current garden, but the operation remained unfinished after his death. In the same time, some of the courtiers started to build the countryside mansions in this region. Hussein Ali Khan Muayyar Mamalik constructed a mansion in the same place that becomes known as Ferdows Garden. The mansion of Ferdows Garden is located in the southern part of the garden. The artistic stucco work on the building and the columns decorated in stucco works are among the most important parts of this mansion. The mansion has been changed several times, along history and by different owners. Finally, the mansion was transferred to the government in time of Reza Shah when a high school naming Shahpur Tajrish was established in. In the late Pahlavi rule, the building of garden was converted into an artistic, cultural, and exhibition center, and it was given to the Ministry of Cultural and Islamic Guidance. What is now famous as Ferdows Garden has been formed in 1381 Shamsi as the result of collaboration between the Ministry of Cultural and Islamic Guidance, the Cultural Heritage, Handicrafts and Tourism Organization, Tehran Municipality, and Farabi Foundation. In that year, Cinema Museum was established in part of Ferdows Garden in the presence of President Mohammad Khatami. Old cinema equipment, gifts of Iran filmmakers, photos and dolls related to the memorable programs and films are exhibited in this museum. It constitutes of seven halls displaying the current films of Iran and world cinema. This place is also one of the main hangouts of those who are interested in cinema art and experience. Different welfare facilities have been provided in this complex, among which the cultural products and handicrafts shop and coffee shop should be referred